Hi, it's Pam Warwick. I'm going to give you a quick overview of Whiteboard.fi. And the way you sign in is just put Whiteboard.fi in the URL. And to create a new class, you said, I'd like to create a new class. You do not have to create a new account. You definitely don't want to upgrade and pay anything. So just use the free version. So I'm creating a new class. It always asks for your name. At the bottom of the screen, you click Create a New Class, and you are ready to go. So I always prepare my problems just to go through some of the tools. You can write on the screen. My handwriting is messy, so sometimes you could just type your problem. Say if you want to do a number talk. Okay, so that was easy. Or if you want to upload a problem-solving scenario. So I'm going to get rid of these, and I'm going to upload a problem that I have ready to go. And I like this problem. It looks like it uploaded a little bit large, so I don't want to cut it or any of those. I want to, there's my zoom in, so I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so now you see, and we are ready to go. Now, I do not have any students sign in, so you do not want to push the problem until your students have signed in. So I'm going to toggle back. You can put this code in the chat, or if students are signing in on their phone, which we don't like, but they do, they can sign in with the QR code. Now, because I have my phone ready, that's what I'm going to do, and I'm the only student around. All right, so I'm going to do that. And it looks like I am signing in, and I'm going to sign in with my first name, Pam. And I'm going to toggle back. Oh, yes, it looks like my student, me, has signed in. And see, I have not pushed the problem. So I could just toggle back and have that. But if I wanted the students to have the problem, on the right-hand side is push. So you can push the background of the current page only. And I'm going to go back and I get a message. It has been successfully pushed. And you see my student Pam has the problem. And so Pam is going to start working the problem. And she can write on the screen, on her screen, or she can also type like just the same that we have. And so you can see that she started to write with her finger, and that she is also doing some other things. Anyway, and so we can, at the bottom, we can give Pam immediate feedback and say, oh, I guess that wants us to subscribe. That's a new feature that I just saw, and so I am not going to subscribe. I'm just going to feature and talk about and give verbal feedback. And if you had 30 students sign in, each one would have a whiteboard. Now, let's say they did great work and you want to save this. So at the spoke or the settings, you can say save all whiteboards as a PDF. And we're going to label this lesson example and save as a PDF. And it has downloaded and saved. And you can see my student's work and how she started working the problem. So thank you so much for listening and learning about Whiteboard.fi. I think your students will really enjoy it. I'm through with this lesson, and I'm going to close the room.